now I am test riding my buddy Matt's, I believe 2013 or something, YZ250. Ooh, weird shifter. Oh my, holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh. This thing has shitloads of torque. The torque on this is way more than my bike. Oh my god. That's surprising. And I think he told me just use third everywhere. Oh, his bike is definitely faster than my KX. He's got a bunch of mods on this. He's got like his Apex head and some carb mods. Dude, this thing's a rocket. And it's like really torquey right off the bottom. And it pulls so freaking hard up top. Jeez. This thing is way faster than I expected. Around that corner so easily. He said leave it in third. We're going to trust him. Yeah, it's perfectly fine in third, even on tighter corners. Whoa, buddy goes. Alright, we're gonna pop it down in a second. I don't like his shifter. I'm not sure if you could tell there. I was messing up that shift. I kept trying to shift up and I couldn't find a shifter. Maybe it's just higher than mine or something. Damn, this thing's quick. Like it just wants to rip your arms off in the straightaways when you hammer it. Lug it. Shoo! This is the first time I've ridden behind someone on my bike. That KX sounds good, buddy. Whiskey with this throttle. Hold third, stand up. There we go, smooth. This thing truly feels like raw power, baby. It feels gnarly. Alright, I'm not going to put it in second here because I f***ed up the shift so much last time. Like, thank God he's got good foot pegs because I almost just slid off the back of this thing. It's so fast. don't feel comfortable. One more jump and then I think I'm gonna call it. Damn, this thing seriously is surprisingly fast. Like
that one I sent way too far.
That time?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Oh yeah. Close to the bars.
Your head hit the bars?
Oh.
Damn. You alright?
Oh, I'm good. That's perfect angle.
Dude, this thing's way faster.
Really?
Oh my god, this thing is a lot.
I think maybe it on this track, it gives you a certain amount of power, and then any extra that has just isn't usable.
This has way more torque than that does. Like, when you start to just roll on the throttle, this pulls my arms.
I feel that.
It pulls my arms instantly.
This is just so like nice and linear.
Yeah.
Like it gives you all the power that the dirt can handle, really.
Yep. I think it's good.
No, I love riding this bike. I really enjoy it.
This thing handles really nice. I actually feel more confident standing on this than I do that for some reason.
I feel that.
I think you're just...
That's been done by a guy.
It's got to be stiffer.
It is.
Okay.
And the shock spring is 2 sizes stiffer. The forks are not springs, but the valve is also.
Yeah, it feels good. It was just... It's like surprising how much faster it is. It's way faster than I expected.
Well, thank you.
Especially on a hard pack like this.
Yeah, no, for sure. Like, really, I think like this amount of power is perfect for this track. Like, it really is. It's super easy to ride.
Cool.